Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After turn on or turn off flight mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.